Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Cayce on Around the Hay Bale. My name is Cayce. So, last week we talked about basically being prepared if your electricity goes out, if something happens, what to do with all the food in the freezers. Today, what I'm going to do is we are going to take, trying to grab using my hand. We're taking a $20 bill. We're going in and we are going to stock up on things for an entire month that we can use for meals. All I can spend is $20. And as I'm showing you, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it and how I prep it. But let's go ahead and we're going to head in right now. And I even went to an expensive spot too, just to show you how easy it is to obtain this $3 to $2 to even sometimes $1 meal price. So here we go. Let's go ahead and let's go. Alrighty, y'all. And I even came out under the $20. So let me tell you why I use what I use. One thing, as I'm going to show you, is chicken bouillon. You saw it in the video, and let me tell you, yes, could I make my own chicken bouillon and dehydrate and freeze? Yeah, absolutely. Do I want to? No, not really. I really don't. And I use this for meals in a jar, but also if you do 3/4 of a teaspoon will make a cup of broth. Now, in a pinch, if you need to throw some broth together, this is a nice way to put some teaspoons in warm water, shake it up, let it sit, and then you have some broth. And all in all, with the ingredients that are in it, it is probably the more healthy of the broth. But I use this, and this jar will make you a ton of broth, a ton of meals in a jar. So the $4 that I spent on this, well worth it, I think, in my opinion. I also got some Great Northern beans. Listen, beans and rice, because I got rice too. Sometimes that's the dinner, y'all. Sometimes that's the dinner, and that's okay, because you don't always have to have meat in your meals. Beans have just as much protein that you can use in your meals, and it brings the cost way down. So we're talking about per person for beans and rice, we're talking 22 cents. And when you're strapped on a budget, I also got some of these egg noodles, if I can get it through all of my stuff. I'm throwing it. These are really great for meals in a jar. I've done meals in a jar before. They're beautiful. They're so simple to use. And they usually double or triple depending on what's in there. To where you can feed a bunch of people. So the cost is relatively cheap. We're talking $1, $2, even 50 cents a meal for meals in a jar. But also, I want to try a chicken noodle soup. And I watched a video that using these type of noodles uncooked, when you can it, cooks the noodles and it makes it just delicious and wonderful. So, y'all, that was my budget. Oh, and I got wine. Why? Because Jesus turned water into wine, and well, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this Cooking with Cayce. Let's go ahead and go back to Around the Hay Bale. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next Cooking with Cayce. Bye, y'all.